A few weeks back, we got an exclusive review of the Toyota Hilux and then an exclusive comparison of the Hilux and the V-Cross. That Hilux at that point of time was completely stock, but not anymore. So not just one but two Toyota pickup trucks right over here. These are the first two examples of modifications done right here in India. Of course, a big thanks to Bimbra 4x4. They are your one-stop solution for anything off-road. From the V-Cross to the Thar to the Hilux, if you want to modify your off-roader, your pickup vehicle, your 4x4, you know whom to contact. Now in this detailed video, I'll be taking you through both these models over here. These are the top-end versions. They are the 4x4 automatic versions, and both of them have a lot of things which make them more practical, more useful, and of course for that exclusive gangster appeal. Now I'll start with the one that we shot a few weeks back. So this one is very special because it's also got a completely new suspension. This is adjustable as well, and there is a proper 2-inch lift coming in. So of course, as compared to the other Hilux, that's not bad at all, but as compared to the other Hilux, this one is more higher off the ground. The lift kit you see here is from Pro Fender. It includes the upper control arms, front coil springs, adjustable gas shocks and extra leaf springs, and of course the ground clearance has gone up massively. The stock alloy wheels have been replaced by these lovely looking 18-inch fuel alloy wheels. The tires are BF Goodrich with a size of 285mm wide with a profile of 60. Now both these Hilux pickup trucks over here have got hammered front bumpers. They are different in design for both the ones. For this one, it is also compatible with a winch coming in over here, and of course front sensors, and includes LED fog lights, indicators and daytime running lights. Now if you open this part of the front bumper, you can actually install a LED light, and under the number plate will come your winch. This is common for this one as well as the other model over here. And of course we have not one, not two, but 4 different heavy duty shackles on the front bumper. Now remember, on the original Hilux you get a lot of chrome on the outside mirrors and of course also on the grille. That thankfully has been taken off for this Hilux. It's a completely de-chrome job which people including me definitely will love. Now of the two, this looks to be more capable even off the road because got a proper underbody protection, not just only at the front part, but the underbody protection runs from the front to the rear. Furthermore, both the pickups over here, they have these hammered side steps. This again looks much more purposeful as compared to the one on the other side. Apart from this, you also have the door visors coming in. A small thing but definitely very practical and useful during rains or during harsh summer season. At the back, things do not stop at all. For starters, you have hammer add-ons over here. This includes the roll bar and of course proper Line-X treatment for the inside of the boot area. This is also on the upper part, so in case you are off the road into shrubs, trees, bushes, do not worry about these scratches coming in. Now at the back you also have this Aeroclass box which can hold up to 245 liters of space over here, and also multiple lights in case you are camping out in the open in dark. And we aren't done yet because over here you have a small spoiler for the boot lid. You have a new hammer bumper going in with a proper tow ball in case you need to tow something on the move. Now before I move to the second Hilux over here, once again I want to tell you that this one not only has a proper lift kit, you can also adjust the suspension in terms of the softness or the stiffness you want. There are 4 different steps, and to adjust that you can do that from the blue knob you see on the screen right now. Now coming to this second Hilux over here, again both the vehicles have a different treatment in terms of the bumper or the add-ons. This one additionally has a bull bar coming in over here. Very purposeful when you want to make your own road in the middle of nowhere, you want to push down bushes or small trees. This one will do the job very well. Like the other Hilux, even this one, the bumper is completely compatible with a winch which will come in the lower part over here. You can remove this small step and get your LED bar over here. There are again 4 shackles, 1, 2 and 2 on the underside. The bumper also gives you new indicators and LED DRL. So this is completely something you can pick up from Hammer, and of course Bimbra 4x4 can supply you these products from Hammer for the Hilux. Hammer, by the way, not only makes for Hilux, but they are also worldwide known to make aftermarket add-ons for other pickup trucks, including the V-Cross. On the side, both the vehicles, they are fitted with 18-inch fuel alloy wheels. The design is different, and on that one you have 285mm wide tires. On this one you have slightly narrower 265mm wide tires. Both the tires are BF Goodrich. Coming towards the back of the second Hilux, again side steps coming over here from Hammer. They are in different terms of design as we saw on the first one. This is slightly different design, but you can make out because this is stock suspension. This sits slightly lower on the towards the ground as compared to the first one I showed you over there. Interiors, they remain stock, and coming towards the back, again something very useful and something people are gonna love. You not only have a proper roll bar going in over here, but something that you can use to carry your extra luggage. It can be jerry cans, it can be your camping equipment, and I'm told this one has a proper loading capacity of over 100 kgs. But there is more. Come towards this side. Now at the back of the second V-Cross, you have this automatic roller shade by again Hammer. So if you want to protect your luggage that comes in over here, a simple press of the button and this one opens out like this. Pretty cool feature. I think something unique I've never seen in most pickup trucks in India so far. So this is how your complete storage space will be protected from elements. And if you want to open this, again, so super simple, single press and it goes out. So of course in windy conditions, in dusty environments, you might have to grease the motors or take care of that. That Bimbra will tell you, of course, but this is something very useful for people who are going to be investing so much money on the Hilux. Apart from this, as you can see, the provision to put more luggage comes in over here, and the complete boot area, it's got the Linux treatment, something very common we are seeing from Bimbra nowadays. I'll just close this to showcase the new bumper. This again is from Hammer. Also comes with a proper tow ball in case you want to pull in someone on the move or help someone out. So this is completely new. The lights come in over here. The lights are also present on the inside over here in case you want to be camping out in the dark. You have a proper LED bar over there. So this completes our walk around of India's first two modified Hilux pickup trucks. These are the top end automatic 4x4 versions, and you will be seeing more of these coming in from Bimbra 4x4. Once again, if you have any off-road related need or modification need for your adventure vehicle, you know whom to contact. Their contact details are currently in the description section below. But before I go, a quick montage of both the vehicles.